Hey everyone, this is Joy of Joy Morris Beauty, and in this video I'm going to be sharing an update about some postpartum shedding that I may possibly be starting to experience, so stay tuned. So I am about 4 months out, almost 5 months out from giving birth. And everything has been going on without a hitch. I haven't been having any issues with anything. My hair has been perfectly fine. And then lo and behold, maybe about a week ago, I started noticing that some of my locks are starting to look kind of thin. And so it's just some edge locks. It's about 6 edge locks, and I'm going to show them to you. So let me see if I can show you. And I'm putting this paper kind of behind so you can see. And so you can see kind of, I don't know if it's because, the part of my lock when I was pregnant, as you can tell, it just looks like, wow, like almost like somebody else's lock because it's so thick. And then this part up here is from last year before I got pregnant. And then when you look back at the bottom, it looks so thin in comparison with the hair that I had grow out when I was pregnant. So I can't tell if my eyes are playing tricks on me or if it's just a matter of a fact that, my hair is, I don't know if it has returned to its pre-pregnancy density or if it's a postpartum density. I don't know. But it has me just a little nervous. So same with over here. You can kind of see, if you look at my locks, you can see like this was basically my growth that I had while I was pregnant. And then this at the base is kind of going back to, my hair like post-pregnancy. And so it feels, especially this one down here, look at him. It looks like really, really thin in comparison. And so I am just kind of like a little nervous about that. I know I like to watch, a lot of you may be subscribed to Pauline at Entwai Beauty, and I like to watch her channel a lot. And she actually did this video recently on postpartum shedding when she talked about it and said that, some of her clients, or this one client in particular, she could look at her locks and tell like when she was pregnant, when she was not pregnant, and just that it's told like a story, like her really crazy amazing growth when she was pregnant, then how it got thin when she was in her postpartum phase. So I feel like I may be possibly on the cusp of going through that, but I don't know. Like I said, I'm not sure if it's a return back to pre-pregnancy or if it's, postpartum, but I feel like it still looks a bit thin in comparison with the part of my lock that, was before I got pregnant at all. So I'm just trying to kind of see what happens and just trying to be honest, because I said that I would give you all an update. So what I'm going to do, and I know, my loctician, she's so good. She's been kind of on the lookout for any postpartum shedding that I may be experiencing. She told me just to, she's been checking in literally before I gave birth. So just to kind of, twist them kind of together to each other. And then we'll kind of look at it when I go back to see her. So I'm just going to kind of twist these together and braid these, together to kind of anchor them and make them a little bit stronger. And then, I'm going to talk about it with her and see, how she kind of feels about it, to see if she has any suggestions or anything like that. And that's pretty much all that I can do. I love my Sisterlocks. So, if I have to deal with postpartum shedding and get a little thin, then that's what I have to do. Then that's what I have to do. I'm not really excited about potentially going through that, but I'm always going to share that with you all, if I do. But I'm in my Sisterlocks journey for the long haul. If they get thin for a little bit, then so be it. I just have to be creative and figure out a solution. And I will keep you guys updated on all of that. What's funny is last night after I've been thinking about this a lot. I had a dream that one of my locks fell out and I had like caught it in my hand. Then I was trying to think about where to put them, and put them in a baggie. I'm going to take them with me to my next retie appointment, figure out what we can do. I was thinking about this in my sleep. So obviously it's something that's kind of worrying me a little bit because I love my locks so much. I love my Sisterlocks so much. And so to think of something happening to them, I don't want to think about it because I really, really love my hair. So, I'm just praying that, maybe they thin a little bit. If they do, I'm praying I won't lose any. But, we'll just have to see what happens. I know that the first year after you have a baby, it's just kind of like you're waiting to see what happens and just kind of along for the ride, the hormonal ride with whatever happens to your body. So that's pretty much, where I am. Just wondering if any of you out there have dealt with postpartum shedding, or are you pregnant and, thinking about that, when you do give birth, what's going to happen. Leave me a comment or a question. Let's chat about it. And I will keep you guys updated, okay? So take care. And, once again, any comments, leave them below. Bye.